Hello everyone, I am Dr. Srivatsa. I am a plastic and cosmetic surgeon. Today I am going to debunk a few myths and largely make you all aware about what is this thing called as cosmetic surgery. Many people in my practice I see that they get confused between plastic surgery and cosmetic surgeries. Plastic surgery is a vast subject in which we deal with body tissues, we mold it, sometimes repair and reconstruct so that we can solve the problems arising out of specific diseases or accidents. Whereas cosmetic surgery is a small branch born out of plastic surgery where we deal with improving somebody's appearance, and for this we use the principles and techniques of plastic surgery. Cosmetic surgeries can be performed for any part of the body, be it face, hair, body shape, breast size, genital appearance, hand, even nail appearance. You name it, and there are multiple types of options and varieties of surgeries can be offered for any type of problems. It's all about their personal requirements and we can choose the best suited procedure for them. Recently, we have heard about these tragic incidents happening during cosmetic surgery procedures like hair transplantation or liposuction. These are actually very rare events. When done in a safe environment by a trained and qualified plastic surgeon or dermatologist and a safe anesthesiologist for anesthesia, these procedures are very safe. One thing you should make sure is that you should consult a qualified trained cosmetic surgeon for your cosmetic surgery needs, or even sometimes a dermatologist can do some of these procedures. Our medical council permits only plastic surgeons and dermatologists for cosmetic surgeries in India. So don't fall prey for gimmicky advertisements or cheap quotations, and make sure you are consulting a qualified surgeon. Lately I have come across few videos on social media where some people have been very critical and they are opposing cosmetic surgeries. I can't say they are wrong. Basically, what is cosmetic surgery? It is to improve somebody's appearance, and in simple words to say, to make somebody beautiful. So superficially it appears like it is something that is not very necessary for a person's livelihood or living standards. But it is wrong to think so. But our world is so diverse that no two people have the same mindset, perspectives or priorities. Everybody's life is different, their way of living is different. Even if you take the standards of beauty, a millennia back the definition of beauty was different, and a century back the definition is different, and nowadays the standards of beauty is different. It's all about the trend and the likings of people. So basically what we do is not to improve or not to increase the beauty of somebody. The main purpose of cosmetic surgery is to improve the self-confidence and the self-image of the person, because all of this societal judgment severely impacts their confidence and self-image. And nowadays so many jobs even ask for being presentable and to have very good appearance. We cannot judge somebody whether that person needs cosmetic surgery or not. Not me, not you, not some random person in front of camera making a YouTube video. It is that person who can decide whether he needs cosmetic surgery or not. If you think you need cosmetic surgery, do consult a cosmetic surgeon, clear all your doubts, and then decide for yourself. Another myth is that cosmetic surgeries are painless, scarless, and there is very less downtime, and you can go to the office very next day. So all of this make you think like cosmetic surgery must be very easy and simple, and you can endure it like deciding today and get it done tomorrow. But let me tell you, it is not. Most of the surgeries will have a significant downtime. Only few minor procedures do not have any scar, will be very less painful, and you can walk to office the next day. But most other require at least a week of downtime, and it varies between surgeries. Some surgeries may require more than that, and you may need to be hospitalized for a day or two. So if I have to talk to you about scars, any cut or wound on your body or skin, so it's nature that it heals with a scar. It is the normal thing. But what we do in plastic surgery or cosmetic surgery is that we use special techniques and special stitches which help in reducing your scar to bare minimum. And also we use techniques to hide the scars in natural crease lines so that they are less easily visible. So it is not scarless, it is that minimal scar approach that we follow. So make sure before surgery you talk to your cosmetic surgeon regarding what will be the scar outcomes and what will be the scar management protocol after the surgery, so that you have a better idea of what you are getting into. Another myth is that cosmetic surgeries are not safe. Not true. Cosmetic surgeries are safe and like any other surgeries performed in hospitals. The risk involved are no different than you crossing the road on a busy Bangalore traffic, or maybe less riskier than your adventure sport on a holiday. Qualified and trained surgeons and trained anesthesiologists and the paramedical team make sure that you stay safe across the surgery and even in the post-surgical phase. Nobody wishes harm to you. Having said this, surgery is not simple and undergoing a surgery is not cakewalk. There are some hurdles which you may face during the post-operative phase, but most of it is manageable. For example, like bruising or swelling after liposuction. It is not a complication, it is just an altered way of healing, which may take some extra care and monitoring. These hurdles and troubles vary from person to person based on their healing pattern, immunity, scarring tendency of the skin, bleeding tendencies, genetics, pain tolerance, and various other intrinsic factors. So some of these troubles may be expected in the post-operative phase, and 99% of time it can be handled very well. So when you are consulting your cosmetic surgeon for your needs, make sure to ask about all these unexpected outcomes or precautions so that you are mentally prepared for it. Another perception is that cosmetic surgeries are expensive. It feels so because you are not troubled by a disease or something, and it doesn't feel urgent. And prices may vary between various centers depending on the cities or area and infrastructure of the hospital, quality of care provided, experience of the surgeons, and other value-added services. To add to this, there is a GST for cosmetic surgeries, so this tax also adds to the cost burden. But remember this one thing, quality and safety is what should be your most important concern while choosing a surgeon or choosing a place of surgery. For few thousands, do not compromise on it. Hope I have given a very good idea about cosmetic surgery to you all. Any queries or any help required, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you, stay confident, take care.